In Photoshop, there is many tools which will help you produce flawless graphics, designing without any error. Guides are one of them. Press Ctrl+R and get the home of guides. It's like a scale where you can put your cursor and get guides as much as you need by clicking and dragging to your canvas horizontally and vertically. If you want to hide or show the guides, press Ctrl plus the semicolon key. Your objects will fit to your guides with a magnetic attraction whenever you move them or create them. Even the guides will too attract to the nearest objects when you move them. You can move your guides or undo and redo the movement by pressing Ctrl+Z. If you want to delete a guide, you have to drop them to their home.